Hello world, and welcome to a tutorial about a new platform called Grubana. Grubana is a web application that was, and soon to be mobile application, that was created to allow customers to be a little bit more engaged and aware when finding a local food truck. It also allows food truck owners to be a little bit more visible out there, and it also allows to create, revenue options and increase revenue options. So how Grubana works. Foodie fans or customers can actually drop pins. They can show where the hunger is. They can show on their map, and it also actually show on the food truck owner's map as well. They can follow and favorite their favorite food trucks. They can grab drops or exclusive deals. And food truck and food trailer owners can get discovered in real time. They can drop deals. They can drive with insight and build loyalty with their customers as well. Please feel free to leave a review on our site as well as follow us on social media. Grubana doesn't focus on private catering events or events in general. We're focused on helping hungry people to find amazing food trucks and trailers near them right when they're serving. So this is out on the street when the food trucks and food trailers are grinding and operating. So follow us on social media and sign up. So let's get started. So we're going to log in here. I'm going to log in with a customer, a Foodie Fan, into their dashboard. All right, so we're on the Foodie Fans dashboard here, so they can upload a profile photo. We have sent 2 of 3 pings today, so you are allowed to send 3 pings a day. So you will be able to add an address right here in the enter address section here. So we'll go ahead and copy and paste that. And then right here you can choose your cuisine. We can certainly add some more cuisine options to expand this down the line. However, we're going to choose American, and then we're going to send this ping. So you will see the pin drop there on the map. And this is in real time. So down here you can also favorite your food trucks, and then what we're going to do here is we're going to log out. We're going to show you what it looks like on the food truck owner's dashboard side. Go ahead and log in here. So now it comes up as the dashboard for the food truck owner. So this is the username, the all access plan, which you definitely want the all access plan because that gives you all the bells and whistles to operate fully. So you can create a drop here, which are exclusive deals, and which the food truck owner can display over to the customer map, as well as you can upload photos of your food truck. You can upload your menu. And then once we go down below, we can see the food truck owner's map. So we can toggle the food truck icon on and off. And these little dots that you're seeing, these are heat map sensors for the actual pins that are dropped by the customer. So when a customer drops these pins, they will get the heat maps showing the demand in the area. Which is very cool because that just increases a lot more visibility and awareness and allows the customers to engage more with the food trucks. Down here, we've got these filters which you can toggle on and off. So you can, certain cuisines that you don't want to show on the map, you can toggle those on and off there, just like so. And we can actually, head down a little bit further south of the page, and then you've got your analytics dashboard. This analytics dashboard shows popular pings, top cuisines. It shows most everything that you need in order to have as much visibility and awareness and engagement as possible when you're out there and operating. You can kind of see where the demand is, within total pings within 3 miles of your current location, total pings within 50 miles of your current location, your current request, your customer favorites. And down below, there's a follow us section where you can link your social media page or your social media links, and customers can follow you. All right, so going back to the top, we've got this create a drop section. So what we're going to do here is we're actually going to create a drop. We're going to include free fries in this one. This description is where we can add, any extra incentives to explain what the drop is for the customer. So we're going to put, for the next 10 customers, they get free fries with their order. And you can set certain limits, within $15 or more per person. So it just allows you to get a little bit more descriptive in these drops. And these are exclusive deals that you can offer to the customer to help drive them to your business, to your food truck, to your location. You can also choose a quantity. So the quantity would be 10 out of this. So customers get 10. And then down below, expires 20. So 20 minutes. So in the next 20 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to click this button here, create a drop. Drop is created. And then what we'll do is we'll go back to the customer dashboard so you can see what that looks like. And before we did this, to created the drop, the food truck icon was black. They typically are black as standard. So once we do a quick refresh here, the food truck icon should display exactly where the food truck is located. So you see it's a blue here, and it's got a heart over it because we have favorited this food truck. Now if you look here, you'll be able to see that the customer can now see the drop. The drop here is the free fries, got the description there, and what we can do, we can claim this drop. So we will click claim drop, and then what we're going to do is we're going to see here a code has been generated, and this code is the code that you would take to the food truck, show them that you did claim this drop, and that you would like your free exclusive deal or whatever the deal of the day might be. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to pricing. You can try this for 30 days. Just more eyes equals more orders, absolutely. And for the basic, you do get a basic plan, and you can certainly try this out before going to the all access. However, you will get more bells and whistles to unlock everything with the full access plan. All of our payments are secure with Stripe. Alright, so next we will go to the Contact Us page, which has a Contact Us form. So please feel free to contact us through this form. There's other ways, email, Instagram, social media, so go ahead and contact us there. And settings. Every customer and every food truck owner will have a settings page to control their settings. Alright, so that is Grubana. If you guys would like to check out the app and get started, sign up, please go to grubana.com. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you out there on the road. Thank you.